So starting at the bow, we have the anchor windlass. Got a huge access to the anchor line and chain. Got the flush cleats. Beautiful embroidered upholstery. Lots of storage on the starboard side, all the way in the back there. Good room for bikes, paddle boards, inflatables. Nice big windshield all the way up to the hardtop. Good protection from the weather. Bow door. Excellent visibility throughout. Double companion seat, double helm seat. As we come around, got the twin 12-inch screens. This is the twin Mercs 300s. So we have the Skyhook joystick, electronic shifters. As we come around to the head compartment on your port side. Again, beautiful fit and finish. Can't beat the Tiaras for that. And as we look to the rear of the boat, have a nice wet bar. Location for a waste bin. Reversible seating forward and aft. Same on the other side with a nice beautiful high gloss teak table. Storage under each one of these lockers. Excellent platform for swimming, diving. Right now we are just drifting. We have the full camper canvas package. Both sides. We have the sunroof that comes open. Canvas zip downs on the back. And there we have it. 2023 Tiara 34LX.